Okay guys, welcome to the channel once again. Right in this video, I'll be showing you a new dipping project where we'll be earning their free point, just like the way we are earning on grass and the pay. So this project is recently launched. It has its own extension like wallet. So what you do here is to come and install the extension. So the link is in the video description, the wallet link, and also the referral code so that you can get a sign up bonus. So you can see my own is showing remove from Chrome. Use the preferable wallet you can actually use to install this extension is Mrs. Browser or KIWI Browser and the rest. But basically, these two are the mostly recommended browsers for extensions. Okay, so once you've added this, you will be seeing your wallet here. Go to the section here. So if you're using Mrs. Browser, you'll be seeing it under the extension section because Mrs. Browser has its extension under this section. But for KIWI Browser, because I'm using it, it will be right here in this section. So you can see, come down, you see Done Validator Chrome extension, right? So once you've installed, you click on it. So what you'll be doing is you make sure you add your email address, okay? So you add your email, put your password, then you put the referral code. Make sure you put the referral code so that you be getting a sign up bonus, okay? So the referral code is what I'll be showing you right away, okay? So now after you've successfully installed and put your email, so they will send the verification link. Go to your email, the Google account you've added. So you'll be verifying first before you to start earning. Okay. So once you've successfully verified your login, it will become connected. Okay. So the level of your internet would actually determine the level of your earning here. Okay. So I'm now connected. Stay connected to earn reward. Okay, for contributing to the network. It's very easy. Make sure everybody is participating if you are watching this video. So the next you are going to be doing is you go to this section, okay? This three dotted line by the right top corner, you see we have profile, we have refer a friend. Tap on the refer a friend, then you see this referral code. Make sure you bind it so that you can get a sign up bonus from me. So this is 5x FTKE. Okay, so now there is another option to earn here, which is to follow them on the social media. So you'll be tapping on X. Okay, you'll be earning 5,000 points. Okay, so you tap it, you will be redirected. See, it's taking me to X platform. So what I need to do is to tap on this follow. Okay, so we tap on follow. I will even turn the notification icon on. Okay, so you see I've actually added this. All right, so you can see that Solana, the one of the amazing blockchain, very popular, have retweeted this project. So don't joke with it, guys. Don't joke with it. So they have a lot of juicy information here. So you can see that they have raised uh, $18 million, all right, by Dragonfly. Okay, so it's very good project. They have a lot of investors that are backing them up. Okay, so you can come here and check out for information that you might actually get interested in. So now let's go back. I've done the task. So right, so it's going to refresh. Let me quickly go back. Let me go back now. Okay, so I'll refresh. You can see claimed, right? Successfully claimed. So the next one is I'll tap on this Telegram because I have a lot of platforms where I can connect my Telegram. So it's going to pop up this. So I'm going to select the one I wish to use. You can see I have iMe, Telegraph, and Telegram. So I'll be using I think I'll be using my let me be using my Telegram. I think the account here. So I'll click on just. It will take me to my Telegram. All right. So wait patiently. So I will simply join. Okay, so once I've joined, I can now go back to the website and then refresh. Okay, I also join this Discord. Tap on Discord, take you to Discord page. So once on Discord, you are going to be joining the Discord server. So this is Discord. So it's going to pop up that I should join Discord that I've been invited. Okay. So I will accept the invitation. Right. So I've reached the 100 server limit. So I just need to actually exit some groups or server. So let me quickly exit some server. So let's continue, guys. So I've exited up to 3 servers so that I can join this new one. So I've joined now. So the next you're going to be doing on the server is to click on verify. So you tap on this verify, it will pop up a verification. Okay, so you have to continue. Then you choose image that contains this one you're seeing here. So I will select here. Then I'll choose a dog. Okay, so this is dog. So right, so I've been verified. So I'll tap on this done ready. Okay, so click on this icon to go to this to enter the server and write something. Okay, all right. So I'm new, so I'll just send. Right, so it's done. Now let's go back to the website, to the extension website. So I've already done the task now. So what I'm going to be doing is to refresh it. I'll be refreshing the page. Right, so let's go back. I'll open the extension. Okay. Now, let's check. Refer. You have refreshed. Okay, you can see I've claimed 15,000 points here. Okay, 15,000 points because I've done these 3 tasks. I'm showing you this because I didn't actually talk about it in the. So if you're watching this video, make sure you quickly do your own. So you should be accumulating a lot of points here. So I'm currently having 19,266 points. So this point will be used for airdrop. Okay, so they'll be using it for airdrop. So make sure you join and install the extension. So you can refresh, always refresh to see if there is a new additional point that you've earned. Okay, so don't miss out. So if you want to earn more, another extension wallet that I'll be dropping in the video description, which is the LLCs and the Node Pay. These two, I'll be dropping this LLCs.ai and NodePay extension. So, and we have already been doing grass light node. So I just tap on grass light node to know my current. Make sure make sure you've connected your wallet because it's ending in 4 days. Okay, so just tap here, you see your profile, you reconnect. Okay, so it's connected. So you can go to the dashboard. Make sure you've connected your Solana wallet. It's very important, guys. So on Grass wallet, Grass app, make sure you've connected your Solana wallet because the blockchain that the project is built on is Solana. Okay, so you just need to come to your profile here, and you will see something like this. Okay, you can see this is my wallet. Once you've added your wallet and your email, okay, your wallet and your email, make sure it's verified. Your account is showing verified and your wallet is showing verified. So that is basically all about this tutorial, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more important updates, guys.